Welcome to our table for two. Today we're making a spaghetti squash lasagna. The hardest part of this dish is cutting the spaghetti squash. Microwave for 5 minutes and then use a sharp knife and mallet. While the halves are cooking, we're going to make our ricotta filling with all our favorite lasagna ingredients. Now the meat sauce. Let's use any protein you'd like, ground turkey or even a plant-based substitute. Pull that spaghetti from the cooked squash and add it to the ricotta filling. Now the fun part, making the layers. Sprinkle on some melty cheese, bake, and then sprinkle with some toasted panko and a little basil. Enjoy!